bro, you already know we out here, man. And welcome back to my channel. My name is Marlon, and if you're new, my name is Marlon. So as you can already tell by the title, I'm gonna be collabing with someone, and this someone is a curly hair YouTuber. He goes by the name of Kxdsheldy. You gotta look at the greats. You gotta look at the greats to become one of the greats, you know? Today we're gonna be swapping curly hair routines. So after this video, I want you to go to his channel and check out him using my curly hair process.
Hold my phone.
Hey y'all, and welcome to the channel. If you're new, I'm Sheldon. I'm a natural hair YouTuber. I do other videos too, but you should check me out for yourself. So to be completely honest with you guys, I was a little uneasy once Marlon sent me his hair routine. It's only 3 products, which is great. We love that. But his routine is much different than my usual hair routine. Marlon starts out with this Aussie Miracle Curl shampoo. This has coconut oil and jojoba oil. I feel like I have not used Aussie in like years. It's been 3 years at this point. So Marlon starts out with this shampoo, pretty self-explanatory. My hair was pretty dirty and the shampoo did exactly what it needed to do. My hair didn't really feel extra dry or anything despite the sulfates. But then again, it is Aussie moist. Moving along. Next up, Marlon follows up with a 3-minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner. He leaves in for, well, you guessed it, 3 minutes. Smells great, cute bottle, nice lip, great moisture. Would y'all believe I've never used this before? I'm gonna start using this now. So Marlon says he combs his hair with the conditioner in it. He uses a tangle teaser. I've searched all over my place for a tangle teaser. Could not find one, so fortunately he said a regular comb will suffice. I used a wide tooth comb. So this is where Marlon kind of lost me. So the next product that he's using is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen, Grow, and Restore Treatment Mask. You guys know how I feel about this staple product for me. But Marlon doesn't really use it as a deep conditioner. He uses it as a leave-in for extra moisture. So I applied it as instructed. So the next step, Marlon gave me some options of air drying, diffusing. He says he personally wraps his hair up so it'll dry quicker. I pulled my hair in a ponytail, and the second I got out the shower, I diffused my hair. I love how soft my hair felt when it dried after using that product. It was about as soft as a feather. I thought my hair turned out great for using no styling product. Though nowhere near as good as Marlon's hair, I went ahead and picked it out as that is the last step in his routine. So overall, I really like the way my hair turned out using Marlon's hair routine. I just wish Marlon could have slid in maybe a styling cream in there, you know, just some sort of styling product. No shade. I'm throwing the whole tree. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of the final results. Do not forget to give this video a like as well as my video which features Marlon. Head on over to my channel and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys later.
Who doesn't want that super silky smooth hair? All right, and then I put it all over. I also put on the underside of my hair. And you see me looking like the girl from the Polar Express, some light. Alright, and after the 3 minutes,